Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall a deleted PlayStation 4 game. So I'm going to go to this game, press options on it, and then go on down to delete, and completely remove it from my PlayStation 4. Now if you bought it digitally, it's still linked to your PlayStation account. So if I go on over to where it says library right here on the home screen, then on the left side of the screen, I want to go on down to where it says purchased. Then I can press triangle and I can go to purchase date, or A to Z, or Z to A. So let's go to A to Z and scroll all the way down to Sonic Forces, or the Sonic Mania game I just deleted, and then I can easily get it back onto my PlayStation. Otherwise, I can go to the search function and just search for it. So I can see Sonic Forces under here, so it should be right about here. So here it is. So I can select it and then go to download. So we just have to re-download it to our PlayStation 4, and then it will go to the downloads folder and it will be back on the home screen once again. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.